Up.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi. Oh, are you the bro? Good evening.
Cái này nè. Cái này nè. Giọng nhé.
Okay, say good
Yêu
evening.
me. Good. You sleep.
All right. Okay, again, I am teacher Lusty. What's your name?
I am color.
Cola. Cola or Cola?
Color.
Cola. Oh, it's like a soft drinks, Coca-Cola.
Yes.
Yes? Do you like Coca-Cola too?
Huh? Yes.
Wow, me too. Okay, so now, Cola, are you the brother of um Ichitri?
Huh? Yes.
Yeah, your big brother. You. You are big brother. Ah, all right. Okay, Cola. Cola. Um, Nihoma. How are you?
Happy.
I say I'm happy.
I happy.
All right, that's great to know. Now, Cola, are you done eating dinner?
Yes.
Oh, what foods did you eat? Did, did you eat chicken, noodles, mm, fish? What foods
What?
did you eat? No?
Meat.
Mm, oh, say I ate meat.
Meat. I am meat.
All right, that's good. Okay, so now, Carla, are you ready for our class? Chombe Halima?
Yes.
Say, yes, I am ready.
Yes. I am ready.
Okay, perfect. Okay, so mommy, are you there?
Yes.
Mommy, is Carla's lesson today is letter D?
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much. All right, so now Carla, let's go. Let's watch a video first. Wait, we have this one here. Uh-huh. Okay, look and watch.
Little
Fox.
turkey.
Letter D.
D.
Big D,
Big
little
D.
d.
Small D.
Ducks are running, da 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 da, da 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 da, da 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 da. Dogs are running, da 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 da, da 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 da, da 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 da. Donkeys are dancing, do 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 do, do 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 do, do 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 do. Dinosaurs are dancing, do 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 do. Donkey, dinosaur. Ducks are running, da 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 da, da 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 da, da 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 da. Dogs are running, da 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 da, da 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 da, da 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 da. Is the sound of D. Who's ready to hatch some cool pets?
嗯，那是地，先学到地了。E F
Page
G
12. Unit
H
2.
L H
D,
Q
E,
T
F.
E F
The letter D.
the
A.
letter T.
Listen and repeat.
Hello, I'm a
Hello,
dizzy dog.
dog.
D.
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 This is the D sound. This is the letter D. 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 Dizzy dog.
D.
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 Dizzy
D.
dog.
What's the beginning sound?
D.
D.
What letter is this?
D.
Page 12. Unit 2. D,
One more
E,
time,
F.
Carla. Listen.
The letter D. A. Listen and repeat.
Hello, I'm a dizzy dog.
Dog.
D.
D. D.
This is the
This
D
is
sound. This
dog.
is the letter D.
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 Dizzy dog.
D.
Dog.
D.
D.
Dizzy dog.
Dizzy dog.
What's the beginning sound?
D.
What letter is this?
Letter what is
D.
D.
Okay, so now, Carla, what letter is this?
D.
Letter. Okay,
Letter.
good. Say letter D.
Letter D.
Very good. Now, what's the sound of letter D?
Letter D.
Sound. Say D. D.
D.
Very good. Now, say D. D. DC.
Lizzy.
Dog.
Lizzy dog.
Okay, again. D. Dizzy.
Lizzy dog.
D. Okay, good. Again. Dizzy.
Lizzy
Dog.
dog.
Very good. Now, one more time. Say D.
D.
Sounds D. D.
D.
Very good. Dog.
Dog.
Oh, good job, Carla. So now, Carla, let's go to B. Listen, point, and repeat.
Page 12. B. Listen, point, and repeat. 1,
Dog.
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 Dog. Dog.
Dog.
2,
Desk. Desk.
Desk.
Desk.
Desk.
Desk.
Desk.
3,
Doll. Doll.
Dog.
Doll.
Dog.
Doll.
Dog.
4,
Duck.
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 All right. One more.
page
Let's
12.
have one more
B.
time.
Listen, point, and repeat. 1,
Dog.
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 2,
Desk.
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 3,
Doll.
Dog.
Doll.
Dog.
Doll.
Dog.
Doll.
Dog.
4,
Duck.
Duck. Duck.
Duck.
Duck.
Duck.
Right, very good. So now, Collie, look at number 1. What's this?
Dog.
Okay, good. Again, say dog.
Dog.
Very good. Dog.
Dog.
Very good. Now, number 2. What's this? Say desk.
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 Very good. Desk. Now, what's number 3? Doll.
Doll. Doll.
Very good. Now, number 4. What's this?
Duck.
Very good. Again, duck.
Duck.
All right, good job. Now, Collie, one more time. Number 1, say dog.
Dog.
Good job. 2, desk.
Desk.
Very good. 3, doll.
The doll.
Good. 4, duck.
The duck.
Good job. Give me high five, Cola.
Huh?
High five. Go. High five to teacher. Go. Like two. Okay, go. High five to teacher. You're doing great. Go. High five. All right. Very good. So now, Cola, let's do the tracing. Let's trace, right, and say. Now, what letter is this? Look, Cola. Say. Be
Say.
very good. Now look at teacher first. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay, so now, Kola, your turn to write big D.
Big D.
Okay, look at teacher. 1,
1,
2.
2,
1, 2.
2.
1, 2. Your turn. You write big D.
A.
1,
First.
2. Wow, very good. Another one. Go. One, 2. Good job. One more. 1,
2.
2. Wow, this is perfect. Good job, Kola. Now let's go back to this one. The small d. Now let's write. Say small d.
D.
Very good. Small d.
D.
Good job. Now look, teacher. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Now, let's have this one again. Look. 1,
1,
2.
2.
1, 2. 1, 2. Okay. Go, Cola. Write small d.
2.
Oh. All right. Better. Good. Now make it bigger here. More lines here. Okay, go. Another one. Go. 1, 2. Okay, much better. Make it closer to this one. Go. 1.
Two.
Oh, what happened? Again. Look. 1, 2. Go. Again. Go. Make it twice. No, this one. Go. You can do it. Go, Cola.
Three. Three.
One more. 1. All right, great. Oh, it's so far. It's so far here,
Five.
Cola. Oh, one more time. I know you can do it. Go, go, go.
Amazing.
1. Yes, that's great. Good job, Cola. All right, so now Cola, give me high five again. High five. I Hi, give me, show me your hands. 1, 2, 3. Boom. Whoosh. All right, so now Paula, let's go to letter D. Now, which one begins with the D sound? Listen
Here's the five.
and circle.
Here's five.
Page 13. D.
D.
Which one begins with the D sound?
Sound.
Listen and circle.
Listen.
1,
One.
Computer.
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 Ant. Ant.
Ant.
Doll.
Dog.
Doll.
Dog.
Bird.
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 2,
Two.
Desk.
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 Banana.
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 Apple.
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 Cup. Cup.
Cup.
3,
水发课
Bed. Bed.
bed
Dog.
dog
Dog.
dog
Cat.
cat
Cat. Alligator.
alligator
Alligator.
alligator
4,
Axe.
X
Axe.
X
Bear.
bear bear
Car.
car
Car.
car
Duck.
duck
Duck.
Okay,
Page
so
13.
now,
D.
all right, so now, Paula, I want you to listen. What word starts with
什么
D?
意思？
D. Okay.
四个哪个发的的音？四个不发
Okay. Look at number 1.
不要看
1. Computer
不是
and
no
doll bird. Okay. Which word starts D sound?
sound 这个
You can circle.
画出来
All right, perfect. Good job. Okay, so now how about this? Number 2. Desk,
desk
banana,
banana
apple,
apple
cup.
Cup.
Okay, which one starts with D sound? Circle. All right, perfect. Good job. Now say desk.
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 desk
Very good. Now number 3. Bed.
Bed.
Dog. cat,
Cat.
alligator. Which word starts the
Mhm.
sound? Circle.
画出来每个字的音。
Bed, dog, cat, alligator. Which word? Are you sure?
Cat.
Bed. Mm-mm. That's not d. D. No, no, no. B. Bed. D. Dog.
Dog.
Cat. Alligator. So which word starts with a sound? All right, very good. Now can you say dog?
Dog.
Good job. Okay, now number 4. Axe. Bear. Car. Duck. Which one starts with the sound? Wow, very good. Now call us say duck.
Duck.
Again, duck.
Duck.
Good job. Very good, Carla. Give me high 10. High 10. 1, 2, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Big high 10. All right, great job, Carla. So now, Carla, let's go. Listen and
Listen.
chant.
Page 13. E. Listen and chant.
Vamos.
Doll.
Dog.
Doll.
Dog.
Doll.
Dog.
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 Desk.
Dog.
Desk.
Desk.
Back.
Desk.
Back.
Desk.
The back.
Duck.
Dog.
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 Duck.
Dog.
Duck.
Dog.
Doll.
Dog.
Dog.
Desk.
Desk.
Back.
Doll.
Dog. Dog.
Desk.
Desk.
Duck.
Dog.
Back.
Doll.
Dog.
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 Desk.
Desk.
Duck.
Dog.
Doll.
Dog. Dog.
Desk. Duck.
Dog.
A doll. A dog.
Dog.
A doll.
Dog.
A dog.
Dog.
A desk.
Yeah.
A duck.
Duck.
A desk.
Desk.
A duck.
Okay, so now one more time. Now call us say doll.
Dog.
Again, say doll.
Dog. Dog.
Good, this one.
Dog.
Dog. Dog.
Dog. Dog.
This one. Desk.
Back.
The desk.
Desk.
The
Desk.
desk. Very good. This one. Duck.
Back.
Good job. Now, Cola, let's do it again.
Listen and chant.
Doll.
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 Dog.
Doll.
Doll.
Dog.
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 Desk.
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 Duck.
Dog.
Duck.
Dog.
Duck.
Dog. Dog.
Doll.
Doll,
Dog.
dog,
Desk.
desk,
Duck.
dog.
Doll.
Dog. Dog. Desk. Duck.
Doll.
Dog,
Dog.
dog,
Desk.
desk,
Duck.
dog.
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 Desk.
Duck.
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 A dog.
A dog,
A doll.
A dog.
A
a
doll.
dog,
A
a
desk.
desk, a dog,
A
A
desk.
desk.
A duck.
A dog.
Wow, very good. Good job, Collie. So now, Collie, now let's review. Today we have learned what letter is this?
Letter.
Letter D.
Letter B.
Ah, D.
G.
Very good. Now, sound of D. Say D, dog,
Dog.
D, D. Very good. D, dog,
Dog.
D, desk,
Back.
desk.
Back.
Okay, this one, D, doll.
Dog.
Very good. D, duck.
Duck.
All right, good job. So now, Collie, we are done in our lesson. Remember and practice the letter D and its sounds, okay?
Okay.
Goodbye, Colin.
Bye-bye.
See you soon.
Bye-bye.
Shishi. Have a good night, everyone.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.